శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Kasyapa saying to Diti like this, O Diti, for all the help that you are giving me, for all the support you are giving me, there is no way that I can repay. But, O Diti, now you are asking for children. Definitely, Karavani, I will fulfill your wish. But, Taruni, Vokka Muhurtamundumu, ఇది సంధ్యాకాలము, ముహూర్తం ప్రతిపాలయ. హో దితి, జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ మొమెంట్స్, బికాజ్ ఏషా ఘోరతమా వేళ, దిస్ ఈజ్ సంధ్యా సమయం. ఇన్ దిస్ టైమ్ భూతపతి రుద్ర along with his pramadhaganas, he will be wandering all over the places. Ho Diti, etasyam sadhvi sandhyayam bhagavan bhutabhavanaha. Bhutapalaka Rudra, Shiva, on his Vrishabhavahanam, along with his Pramadhaganas, he will be going all over the places in this entire creation. Ho Diti, such Bhagavan Rudra smesana chakranila dhuli dhumra vikirna vidyota jata kalapaha. That Rudra will be glowing with divine effulgence, and because of the heavy wind coming out from burial ground, that Parama Shiva's, Rudra's, Bhutapati's matted hair will be all over, that Jatajutam will be flying all over. Not only that, with all the bhasmam which is coming out from burial ground, that Bhutapati Rudra will be spreaded with that bhasmam on his entire divine body. With all this, he will be glowing with divine effulgence, and not only that, Tribhip Pasyati, with his 3 eyes, Trinetras, he will be watching, he will be observing, he will be noticing everything in this entire creation. That is what is the time now, that is what is the Sandhya Samayam now. Like this, Kasyapa telling to Diti. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.